Okay, now we are going on to transfer of an angle. It's part 3 of chapter 3. This one requires a lot of steps, so pay attention and follow them and practice this a couple of times. The first thing we're going to do is delete our construction line and our angle that we bisected. It says create an arbitrary ABC angle. So again, line A, B, C. Then it says to create a line XY. So I'm just going to make mine straight. Okay, this is where it gets a little crazy. So you're going to select copy in the modify toolbar. That's that one with the one circle and then the two circles. And so you select that, you select your object, and then you right button click and it's got it. Then it says select endpoint, and I'm going to select the endpoint, and then it wants me to copy it. See, I can move this around, but it wants me to copy it right on top of it. So I'm going to select it again. And what it is what I've done right there is created two lines. If I was to move one, you would see that there were two there. I'm going to undo that so they're both on top of each other. There's two lines there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate one of these. We're going to rotate one of these two lines. It's both connected at both these points. There are two lines right on top of each other, but now we're going to rotate one of them. And so we're going to select rotate. We're going to select one of the lines at XY. Of course. We're going to select rotate. We're going to select one of the lines at XY, and then right button click, and then we're good. Then it says to select endpoint. Going to select endpoint. Going to select here. Now this is where it gets a little weird. In the drawing area, right? You're going to right button click, and you're going to go to Quick Calc, Quick Calculator. We are then going to select an angle. See that right there, and it says angle of line deferred by 2 points. And so you're going to pick, snap the end point, and then go to the vertex, which is point B on the angle. So we're going to select this, and it's going to say enter a point here and enter a point here. Now note this number right here is based off of this being 0, and it calculated around to 211 degrees. Makes about sense. 270 would be straight down. We don't want that angle though. So we are going to do it again, but only after we hit a minus sign. So we're right here in the calculator, we're going to hit a minus sign, because we want to minus this angle. So we're going to select this again, select this end input and this, and what it did was from 090 to 165. So this angle minus this angle, and then we hit enter, I believe. Press enter, and it'll calculate this, right? So we press enter, there's our number, 45 whatever. Okay, we want to put a negative sign into in front of this. So the nice thing about this calculator is that you can actually go right in front of it, push negative sign, and then we push apply. Okay, so you notice I'm moving around here, right? But what we're looking at right here is your negative number. So if you hit just enter, it will apply this negative 45 point whatever, right? So we hit it, and there we go. These two angles now are exactly the same. We can trust that by testing it. What we're going to do is just dimension this. Select one line, select the other line. Oh, we got 46 degrees. Let's try that again on this one. This line and this line, and look at that. We have made an exact angle as that. Not too complicated, but a necessary tool to know. Practice on your own and show me what you got.